MTN Bushfire 2026 bekunene kuhle kuyakhanya njengoba ubona ngentokazi la kuyakhanya kuhle kwelanga. Hello, how are you guys? I'm good. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Sarah, I'm from Canada.
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Lucy, I'm from New Zealand.
How are you finding the country and how has your experience been? And is it the first time or you've been here a number of times?
No, it's our first time. It's been beautiful. Everybody is so friendly. The weather is great. It's been the most amazing experience.
How is it for you?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially how kind people are and welcoming. It's been wonderful. Yeah.
So, what has stood out in the country for you? How many African countries have you visited and what stands out about Eswatini?
This is my second time in African country. I've visited North Africa and the first time in the South, and for both countries I feel like it's just welcoming and friendly people, yeah.
What stood out for you?
So it's my first time in Africa, and as Lucy said, everyone has just been so friendly and accommodating, and any questions, everyone's really happy to answer and welcome us to Africa, and we've been really blessed to be here.
What is it that you knew before you came to Eswatini that when you got here you kind of like maybe look at it differently?
So we have a few Swazi friends and we're here to celebrate their wedding. So before we came, we did a lot of planning, and because they're Swazi, they've told us all about the country. But our perception before knowing Swazi people was very different. We couldn't locate Eswatini on a map. You just don't learn about Africa as a continent, but Southern Africa at all. And so nobody knows. But we've been so grateful to learn from our friends, and then coming here has been such a great experience because everyone they're not judging you for not knowing. They just want to show you the true Africa. Yeah.
Fantastic. What is it that maybe you had perceived different, that when you got here you have a different outlook of it?
It's hard to say. I didn't have any expectations coming here, but I think the landscape is beautiful here. And I'm learning more about the history and we just got here, so I think we're excited to learn more.
Fantastic. Would you come back again?
Absolutely. If we have the opportunity.
And see the rest of Africa, not just Eswatini, not just South Africa. Go and see the rest of it because it's so beautiful. And we've met so many people from different parts of Africa who just want to share the experience with us. It's been crazy. So
Fantastic. Good. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, you guys. Thank you.
Babukisi Foundation. Lwati nebuve ingcebo.